So, how do you start career in cybersecurity? What are the steps, right? And what are the skill set? Maybe certification, experience, and you name it. And maybe you're going to a college and you want to start a career in cybersecurity, or you may have 2-year diploma. And what certification do you need? Before I get to that more details, in this video, let's understand what are the fundamentals, right? Because this is very important. Usually, if you're a college student, you may be learning those fundamental skills, but so many people may not be even going to college or may not have any IT background, for example, or they just know how to use the technology, right? A cell phone, setting up the emails and basic stuff. But if you want to take it to the next level to pursue a career in cybersecurity, how can you do that? And some people ask, okay, do I need to learn coding and all that? So I want to make sure that you understand the basic concept, which will help you throughout your career, and which is the fundamental knowledge. So when you're doing or pursuing a career in cybersecurity, first thing you got to ask yourself, okay, what am I going to protect, right? What am I going to secure? So basically, when it comes to secure, we talk about these cell phones, the operating system being run on the cell phone, the computer you're using it, maybe or watching videos as a desktop, and then backend there a server operating system, and the underlying technology is networking and storage, right? So where you store the data. So in a nutshell, you have to secure operating system. You have to secure the data on those devices in the cloud or on premises, and you also have to understand how the network works. So these are the component. This is the fundamental skill set. You need to be very solid on that. You understand the basic concept, you understand the basics of operating system, Windows, Linux, Unix, and Mac. You do need to understand and learn how different file system work, what are the weaknesses in those file system, because this is where the vulnerabilities happen, this is where the exploits and all this thing happen. What are the weak file system? When it comes to networking, we have to make sure connectionless protocol, connection oriented, TCP, IP, UDP, SMTP, HTTP. These are the basic stuff you need to know as a foundation layer, right? So how do you learn that? Let's say if you're going to college, you probably enroll in a program or a course for your semester. But even if you're not going to a college or you do not have IT background, so I always recommend there's ton of stuff available on YouTube. You can go and search, right? But the question is, you need to learn something in shorter time. You don't want to spend a year just doing that. So you need to learn some structured content, structured training, which has all these steps, and you need to follow that, because then within you can set the timeline yourself, maybe in 3 months or 6 months, what you're going to learn. So I always recommend people go to a non-vendor, which is CompTIA, which I've looked at the syllabus myself. For someone who is zero and no background knowledge, they also have to start with the basic, which is IT fundamentals. Usually high school, college student go for that. But hey, if you're starting, that's the right course for you. So you may not have to take the certification. Just go through the course syllabus, course content, get trained yourself, watch videos on YouTube, play around with that, do some experience. And next level would be to learn the A plus, where you can learn the operating system, file, a bit of high level of network security and everything. And then you can go to the network plus, where you will need some experience, maybe 6 months. So this is how you can build up all the way, from the basic to the a little bit of an advanced level, and then you can start your career to the next level. So ITF, IT fundamentals important, network plus, A plus, and then you can take different direction, because once you're done with network plus and A plus, and then you can go to cybersecurity. You can become a cloud engineer, going to Azure or AWS, depending, right? So fundamental has to be very good. You should understand these basic knowledge must be very thorough, and then you can start a successful career. So if you like my video, let me know, post your comments, and I'll be coming up with more and more exciting new videos. Thank you and bye.